Hello crafties, welcome to the Craft Hut. In today's video, we'll be learning how to draw a butterfly. At the end of the video, you'll be able to draw something like this on the right, but with your very own style. Let's take a look at the photos on the left. So butterfly is an insect, and we know that insects have three parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. And this is what we're going to draw first. So for the head, we're just going to draw one small circle. And the thorax, we're going to draw a little oval which connects to the head. And for the abdomen, it's also an oval but a little bit longer than the thorax. And here we are done with the body of the butterfly. Next, we are going to draw the wings. So for the butterfly, they have 4 wings. The top ones are what we call a forewing. And the bottom one is what we call the hind wing. Okay, and we're going to draw 4 of the wings. So let's start with the big one first. So we're going to connect the wings to the thorax, which is the middle oval. So draw one big one. And a similar one on the right side. Next, we're going to draw the bottom wings. So we're going to connect the bottom wings to the top wings. Okay, draw something like this, like a leaf shape, so it's easier. And now we're almost done with the skeleton of the butterfly. Next, we're going to add the antenna, which is this one. Okay, so we're just going to draw a long line and end it with a spiral on top. Like this. And now we are done with the butterflies. Time to add in some eyes to give it certain emotion so that it looks more cheerful. So we can do something like this. Smiley face. You can add in eyelashes if you want. Smiley face with a big smile and a tongue. You can also add in a blush if you want to, near the eyes. Okay. And now we are ready to add in our very own style. So here the butterfly, we have 4 wings. You can add in any patterns that you want on their wings. Okay, so for me now I'm going to add in some spirals. Like this. You can also add in some circles if you want. Another super big spiral here. Again, you can get super creative on these. You don't need to have a symmetrical patterns on the left and right side. You can do anything you want. You can also add in some glitters, different colors. While we are drawing patterns to our butterflies, can anyone tell me, does anyone knows why butterflies have different patterns on their wings? Okay, the reason is because one, for camouflage, they need to blend in with their surroundings so they don't get eaten up. And the second one is so that they can find and attract a mate. Alright, so 2 reasons. One is camouflage and one is for mating. You can also add in lines like this. So when we color in later, we have more colors to add it in. We draw some triangles. You can see all the patterns are different. You can really just make it your own. And that's it, we have completed our very own unique butterfly. Now it's time to add in your favorite colors. Get your crayons, your color pencils, your paints out, color them in, and display it on your wall. If you enjoyed our drawing tutorials, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below. We would love to hear what you would like us to draw next. Let us know in the comment section. See you in our next creative adventure.